Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Listener from ScreenProtector and the Inte.Team. Guys, so third video recorded today on the 14th of January. In this video, we will look after the Predator. There is an issue with it because let me put my screen tester on the side. Because it is working on the HDMI, it doesn't work on the display. I already disassembled it so that we've got some equal chances, not wasting a lot of time. And what it is, yes, is that I will try to open it and not damage it. The back panel, which is here and here, I need to put fingers and we'll be fine. Now, the screen itself should hold here on each side on 3 screws, but as you can see I can put my finger there. Here no, but it is still damaged, so those holders in this are just completely kaput. Yes, hopefully you know what kaput means. But yes, so I will take out those screws here, take out those screws here, and then we'll take out this, yes, so that we can take out the display. Then we will use tester for displays to see if the display is fine, if I've got proper adapter. If I don't have a proper adapter, then I will have to figure out how to test this screen. If I won't be able to test the screen, there will be 2 choices: either blindly order the cable which goes from the main board to the display, or find another laptop which I can use to test the. Well, now I can unscrew those thingies. You know what? Let's unscrew it from here. Fingers crossed it will do. It will work. I need to test this display. Whatever I'm doing, if I can't test this display, I can't be 100% sure that I know what I'm dealing with as a problem, and it's just awkward. So hopefully you get an adapter. If I don't have adapter, then it will be a pickle for me. Is it okay? Yeah, it is okay. So those black screws will do. Unfortunately, I can't have all the adapters. I'm trying to buy every month more adapters, but it's so many of them. It's unbelievable. Okay, that's the last screw here. So see, otherwise you would spend so much time watching me unscrewing things. Okay, it's here. That's the small one. It's not the smallest one, because I don't have the smallest one. Guys, I will take some time. You know what? I open it. I'll check, because I see that it is like I've got one screen like that. I will need to compare them both to see if they are with the same connector, because I had a problem with one display which I couldn't test, and I blindly ordered the screen and it was fine, yes. But if it's the same screen, yes, if it's the same, that one has only blinking problem. Hopefully you've got, hopefully it's able to help us with this diagnosis. So let's wait and let's see. Okay, so I don't have nor cables nor adapters. Now what I will check will be the displays I have, because I do believe that I should have one display which should fit this connector. So you can fingers crossed right now. Okay guys, so I did find, you see it's smaller one, but it does fit. It's the same connector. So I need to learn what the connector is and find adapter for them, because this way I can't test it. It's just a bit of a problem. Now let's take this one, which we don't know if it's working or not. Let's try, if the battery is connected, because I've got no idea if the battery is connected here. Yeah, the battery is connected. There's no RAM, only. Can add the RAM. Okay, so one single RAM comes in, but now the cables should be fine. Okay, so it is on, but I don't see a backlight for the keyboard. Okay, now it's on. But I still can't see anything on the display. So, yay! It's a problem. Now, where's my HDMI? If we can see on the HDMI the signal, that's mean either the screen is incompatible with this laptop. Oh, look. Okay, now it's connected. Happy days. Now let's switch to the source. Okay, we can switch here, that's okay. USB video, that's the one. And let's switch it back on. Okay, it's back on. Will it display, or it has to go to Windows to put on the HDMI? Because sometimes some of the laptops, unfortunately, they are like that. Okay, I'll switch it off again. Come on, go. Yeah, it's off. I'll get the hard drive and I'll add the hard drive now. There's the connector here. SATA. Okay, it's the other way around. So I've connected the hard drive now. Need to hold with one hand, unfortunately. Okay, I'm turning it on. Backlight is on. I can hear hard drive spinning. And do you have a picture? No, we don't have a picture. Okay. So this is a problem right now because yesterday I had a picture on this and it's off. Back off. Okay, I'll change the source again to the webcam. So either the culprit behind it is this display that it doesn't want to display, okay, or the culprit behind it is just let's check that display. Put this one aside somewhere. Okay, stick it to here. Let's connect it. Tons of displays at home and only few have this, or one have this connector, so that's a bit of a problem. Now if I know what type of connector it is, I know what voltages I can expect. I need to check datasheet of this display to make sure that it is connected the right way. So I can't blame it right now. Okay, now it's on. Okay, let me switch to the USB again. Oh yeah, so we can see that it is working. Yes, guys, I'll pause because customer is writing. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did make further tests. I've noticed as well that this one was nearly broken, or broken actually. So hinges need the replacement, backplate need the replacement, and I need to order that cable. I will look for a cable because I know I can have one cable from this connector, and if I can find it, okay, if I can find it, I'll record a part 2 for that thing, because I would then try to find specification of the display and specification of the connector on the board. If I can find it, then I can open them both, find lines, LVDS lines, and then hook up proper, you know, one-to-one, yes? so all the signals which goes from the main board will go properly to the display. And I will check as well through the meter resistance in between all the wires in this cable, and I will be able to verify later if there will be any damage, you know, just to use my second cable, cut it off, connect it, and see if that one will work. Yes, because it should without checking that I can't say that the display is faulty, but I can still supply some voltage, you know, and see if the backlight will light up, because there's no even a backlight, and that's suspicious. So I will check if I can get the backlight on, and maybe I can connect some pins to check some other, you know, things on the display. Okay guys, so the backlight from CGTV Parts came, as always. Great delivery service. This is my favorite distributor for the backlight of the TVs, and yeah, but that's for later on. I just wanted to open it. So yeah, to sum up, I will check if I am able to see if that cable is faulty in between the monitor and in between the main board, because it's looking like the cable is faulty, because there is no even a backlight. Usually when there is a problem with the monitor, you see at least a backlight. Here you don't see anything, so that's suspicious, you know. That's why I need to check that one first. And when I'll check that there is an issue with that, then I've got this connector, I know it fits, yes, and I will be able to pass the current to the monitor. I'll check the specification of the monitor, hopefully I can find it, then I will know how to connect LVDS signals, and I'll look as well for the original adapter so that my tester can be used, not some, you know, rookie type of ways of testing displays. Yes, because you can test it, it's but with an adapter it's much easier. Yeah, another pipe, and yeah, and the backlight. That's my next job. Oh, that's edge backlight. I don't like these new backlights in the TVs. You wanna downgrade your TV? Buy a new TV with new edge backlight. That's what I feel they are. Do I have them in stock? No, my ones are smaller diodes. Maybe the other ones which I bought are okay. Now I'll have to buy these ones as well, just for fun, you know, just for fun. But anyway, that's it in this episode, guys. Hopefully you've got some value, and I'll try to prepare cables. I'll try to do tests. If I will see that the display is fine, then I need to first speak to the customer, because he need to he need to buy this one first, then the hinges, yes, and then the cable. I need to estimate the cost for that, and then only we will be able to deal with the rest of the issue. Hopefully the display is good. So the order I will say to the customers, let's get the cable first, okay? Because once we've got a cable, we know, we don't believe that the cable from the main board to the display is fine. That shouldn't be there. Then if we know it, we should see at least a backlight. If we don't see a backlight, then that's a problem. Meanwhile, yes, before I will even contact the customer, I will check the prices for this, and I will ask the customer if he want to order blindly the cable, or he want me to spend more time and check if the main board producing all the signals here, because these signals are produced and they are sent to the from the graphic card to the HDMI. Yes, so now the question is, are they good quality and they are sent to the display, or there is some issue on the way maybe? So if he want me to investigate it quicker and not order blindly the cable, then that will be an extra cost for the customer. Yes, so that's what we need to start off. and then we can see, because if customer will order the cable, then I will plug in the cable and check if it's working. That's a few minutes of my work. But if I need to investigate it, that will be maybe half an hour or 1 hour of my work, and then I need to charge the customer. Yes, so that's what I'm thinking. Either or, yes. And I know that customer will be leaving shortly, and he will be back again after some time. So this is not a quick repair for him. I will probably look for some other spare laptop, old spare laptop, which he could use. And once I got that laptop sorted, then he can go, this cable could come, and we can continue. If the cable won't help, that's mean we need to get the display. And meanwhile, I will try to find the adapter converter from my tester to this type of the monitor, especially that I know I have one of those cables in stock. So then I need to figure out only how to connect, LVDS signals inside, and that shouldn't be a problem. In theory, I can find it. Plus I got a display to test on. This display I can test on, because this display has been left here, and it's no use for the customer because this backlight is blinking. Yes, so I would have to replace the backlight here in order to make it working. So I better leave it as a test monitor until I won't have a proper adapter for my tester device. But that's it, guys. That's everything in this episode. Hopefully you've got any value out of it. If you did like, here's likes to use as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and if possible, let's fix them all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.